I'm Charles Binder. I've been representing Social Security claimants for almost 39 years. So I know a little bit about what's going on. So, what's the difference between SSD and SSI? Now, we refer them as SSD, though sometimes you see it's SSDI. It means Social Security Disability. Now, what is that? It is a social insurance program. The word social is in it. And it's similar to just having car insurance, except you pay for it differently and it covers different things. If you want to have car insurance, you got to pay your premium to the insurance company. It covers you for the 12 months. So that if you're paying for your insurance and you pay on January 1st, 2018, and you have an accident on January 1st, 2019, you're out of luck. It doesn't matter whose fault it is. It doesn't matter how badly injured you are. It doesn't matter whether the guy who hurt you in the car is a crazy lunatic who's been wanted by the FBI. None of that matters. What matters is that you're not insured because you stopped paying as of December 31st. In Social Security Disability, you also get credit, but you pay differently. You pay through your FICA taxes. The FICA taxes are those little taxes that are at the end of your paycheck, and you notice there's an automatic deduction. That pays for your retirement, and it pays for your Social Security Disability. Generally, you have to have worked 5 years out of the last 10, plus 10 years out of your lifetime to be eligible. So if you're working, and you work for 5 years in a row, you're generally covered for the next 5 years. But if you stop working in 2003 and you become disabled in 2015, you can't get disability because you're not insured. It doesn't matter how disabled you are, you're simply not insured. So what is SSI? So SSI is generally for those people who are not eligible for Social Security Disability. Remember, disability you have to earn by paying your FICA taxes. Well, some people never can pay it because they're disabled so young they never had a chance to work. And other people just don't have jobs long enough to be eligible. Their disability starts when they're young and they really can't work long enough. And some people, unfortunately, work off the books. And if you work off the books, you can't be eligible for Social Security Disability. So those people are only eligible for SSI. So SSI stands for Supplemental Security Income, but it's basically a national welfare program for the disabled or for those people over 65. You don't have to work in the past for it, but how much you get depends on what state you're in and how much the government determines you need to meet the federal poverty limit. So it's not a matter of how much you think you need to live on. It's how much the federal government thinks you need to reach the poverty level. So it's barely enough to get by. So that's what SSI is, and it's different. Now with SSI you generally get Medicaid, where with Social Security Disability you get a better insurance plan called Medicare.